to remove this tax gate. As well, we have decided also to meet our
In the ongoing efforts to resolve the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya, a crucial meeting was held at Khanduli in Assam's West Karbi Anglong district. Representatives from civil society organizations and administration officials from West Jaintia Hills and West Karbi Anglong came together to discuss the pressing issues. During the meeting, representatives from Meghalaya highlighted the tax gate established at Am-E village by members of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council and demanded its removal.
we are living together in this area peacefully without any problem, like our brothers and sisters. But we believe this will continue as usual to maintain peace and harmony in our area. But the outcome of today's meeting, we have decided to wait the official letter from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council to remove this tax gate. As well, we have decided also to meet our MDC, member of District Council, to communicate as early as possible for the betterment of the people living in this area.
On the other hand, the representatives from Assam assured their Meghalaya counterparts that they would address the matter with the council members. They emphasized their commitment to taking adequate measures to maintain peace in the region.
First and foremost, our Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pura yate gates hoisile. এই গেটছ কাৰণেহে আজি আমাৰ আপোনাৰ বন্ধুসকল তেখেতৰ ডিমাণ্ডছ হৈছে এই গেটটো ইয়াত ৰাখিব নালাগে তাৰমানে এই গেটটো ইয়াৰ পৰা ৰিমুভ কৰিব লাগিব বোলে তাৰমানে আমি কৈছোঁ এই টেক্স গেটছ কথাটো আমি ক'ব নোৱাৰে এইটো লেট দেম ডিচাইড বোথ সাইড দ্য গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট দিছ জেণ্টিয়া এণ্ড কাৰ্বি আংলং তো আমি পিচটো হ'ব কিন্তু এজ চুন এজ দে কেন তাৰমানে আমাৰ ইনফৰ্ম কৰিব আজিৰ পৰা প্ৰেছাৰাইজ হ'ব আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিল হয় তেখেতে বৰ্ডাৰ মেজিষ্ট্ৰেট প্ৰেছাৰাইজ হ'ব আৰু এইপিনে আমাৰ আপোনাৰ ছাইডতো আমাৰ এই জোৱাই ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট তেখেতৰ প্ৰেছাৰাইজ হ'ব এজ চুন এজ দে কেন আমাৰ কাৰণে নেক্সট মিটিং মাতিব তাৰপিছতে আমাৰ পিচটো থাকিব.
Tensions had escalated in the past when miscreants broke down the entrance gate of Karbi Parishad at Am-E on the Assam-Meghalaya border. This incident led to several instances of altercations between the people from both sides. However, to restore peace in the region, several meetings have been initiated between administration officials and civil society bodies.